ka, buburahin ka talaga. So, what are they gonna do? So, first and foremost, kasi syempre, it's a credibility thing yan eh. Integrity yung nakataya doon in order for you to vlog him, ganon siya. So, ang ano doon, they will destroy that asset, parang ganon, na they will destroy no, na kahit anong sasabihin mo, ng people will not listen kasi sira ka na, parang nang what you're saying will be useless kasi hindi ka, wala katotohanan, parang yun yung gusto nilang palabasin, which is for others na who do not know, parang ganun, na before anything else na may i-vlog si Miss Nins or meron siyang photos or videos na ipopost ng na ano siya, it's an effort kasi may mga research na ano doon na involved, parang ganoon. Na before parang yung kagaya niyan sa mga frenemy who became yung parang ganoon, yung mga na others ba, yung ganoon. Nang kagaya niyan sa kay yung si Brazil thing, ganoon siya. Nang before we posted some, even I kasi parang nag-post na rin ako, 'di ba, Miss Needs, kasi yun nga tinitira ka ng ganoon. So I research kasi parang sinasabi niyang legalities and everything. Pinasukan ko talaga din, 'di ba? Yung pinasukan ko yung sinasabi niyang legal ano doon sa Brazil, yung ganun-ganon. So, I made it a point na at sige, tingnan ko to kung ano to. So, doon namin na find out na ano siya, ng boka-boka yung pinagagawa. Tapos everyone can complain, parang can file a complaint, yung gano'n siya. Pero kung hindi ka citizen ng ganon, Brazil, wala ka talagang kaso, yung ganon. So, parang pinapalabas niya na ito, may file ng complaint against kay ganito, pero nang exonerated, yung ganon. Pero ang ano doon, talagang may exonerate yung isa kasi wala siyang ano doon, TIN number or something ganon. So, talagang hindi talaga. And then yung sinasabi nila na parang we are making up stories to destroy yung si Brazil na yan. Yung, for me sabi ko, I can attest to myself, sabi ko, the only thing na I could say na is my name. Parang, my name itself will yun na yung sinasabi ko is yung totoo siya, ganun siya kasi I've been careful na in speaking ganun siya na words na that will tarnish my name, yung ganun siya. So iniingatan ko yung pangalan ko. So ang ano ko doon, before I say things, parang ganun siya. I make it a point na kaya ko siyang panindigan and I can justify it, parang ganun siya ang sa end ko, ganun siya yung ano ko. So siya mismo ang umamin sa akin na she is a hacker. Oh.
Yes.
So, anong ano doon, yung kasinungalingan doon? Siya ngayon nagsabi sa akin noon eh. Oh.
And the point is
anong
ganito,
problema nila?
yung kapwa Pilipino
ganun
natin.
Siya.
And kapwa
she even
Pilipino,
admitted, ganun siya. And
yung kapwa okay lang daw yun.
Oo.
That the person is a hacker. It's okay for them. Okay lang daw yun. That the person is a hacker. They don't have concerns about
sinabi pa nga na
diba?
Baka hindi daw hacker, Miss Nins. Baka hindi daw hacker.
That's the
parang,
point. Diba? They are trying...
She's saying that na ganun. Pero ano siya...
Anong man tawag doon, Miss Lane? They are trying to be in favor of this person who has admitted na hacker siya.
Hindi talaga siya hacker, yung ganun.
Hindi. Parang they are trying to justify the person. Hindi hacker yan. Hindi totoo na hacker yan. Ganun. Even if there's already a proof that the person has already admitted that she is a hacker.
She even admitted.
Even if there's already a proof that the person has already admitted that she is a hacker.
And then when I posted her, di ba? When I posted her, I told her, nasabi ko, if you will not listen to me, I'm gonna post you to let everyone know that that's what you said to me. Ganun ako sa kanya. And I mean it, na parang pag pinost kita, alam mo dapat, kumbaga, before I posted that video, I will make sure that you will know before I post it. Ganun ako, kumbaga, you have to be aware, parang, kaya sinasabi ko ayaw mong makinig. O sige, pag ayaw makinig, okay, I will do this. So, tingnan nyo na lang yung, di ba, ganun din yung sinabi ko sa kanila, di ba, yung sa that group, sinabi ko sa kanila na, okay, you started it all, parang ganun ako, you started it all. So, there's no point of conversation or yung ganon siya, yung magkaroon pa ng communication. So sabi ko, you just watch my post.
Good morning.
Sabi ko, parang
Ay, wala mo
I will
kasi
I will talaga, I will make it a point na you will know what I will do. Ganun siya. Kaya siya, parang
Kaya, yung point
ganun
na
siya.
sabihin na baka hindi hacker. So, what's the point of admitting? For example, you as a person, are you trying to just joke the person na pinagsabihan mo na I am a hacker and I am offering services to the victims na para, alam mo yun, they are, that person admitted na nag-offer siya ng hacking services to the victims. Di ba yun yung statement niya? Na yun yung statement niya kay Miss Lane before, when they talked, no? She admitted that she's offering services, hacking services to the victims na pumupunta doon sa page niya. So that is clear. But yun nga kapwa Pilipino natin na yun nga humiwala na napahiwalay na ng landas. Parang ganon. They are trying to justify. And the one who's trying to justify are those people na bago lang din na sumusuporta kay Mr. Han Yun who don't know anything about the root cause ng kasi nagbo-boils down itong discussion namin, itong sinasabi ko, dun sa reason bakit ako nagkaroon ng kaalitan, no? Bakit ako nagagalit dun sa taong yun? Yun yung pinakadahilan. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng confrontation. It's because of wala lang. It's because I'm defending the person I'm trying to defend this person. I'm trying to justify that this person is innocent. But the thing is, yun yung sinasabi sa akin ng taong yun na itong sinagsasabi na yun nga, this person has involvement in scamming. And then, along the way, after a year of, vlogging, after a year of having conflict, nag-release ng publication yung isa. Yung taong naghihinala na, I'm no longer suspecting. That's the statement, That's exact statement. I am no longer suspecting the person. So, that's the point there. So, meaning, you have suspect. And I'm not lying. And I do have the evidence, no? Kaya nga, kung kayo man, no? Alam ko naman makakarating kasi I'm going to post this, no? Makakarating to sa inyo na, dapat kasi nasubaybayan ninyo yung issue bago kasi kayo nagkaroon ng mga iba't ibang salita sa live stream ninyo at bago kayo nang galaiti sa akin at kung ano mga sinasabi ninyo tungkol sa amin. No, nagkaroon kayo ng mga investigation, hindi kayo yung basta salita ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi ninyo nalalaman yung katotohanan, no? At sana man lang nag-initiate din yung taong nag-organize sa inyo to explain the root cause of the conflict and the confrontation. It's kumbaga hindi, guys, wait lang medyo may maingay. Guys, sorry medyo malakas yung boses ng anak ko. Nadidistract din ako, yun. So, guys, yun nga, this person who organized that, other group, actually, she was, yun nga, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, she was, sabihin na natin, evicted because of some violation, group rules and regulations violation. Kasi guys, syempre, saan ka naman nakakita ng isang group, just like this, na walang rules, walang house rules. Dito nga lang sa live may house rules. Sa FB, mga pages, there is house rules, no? Meron kaming house rules din dun sa group na yun. Wala namang group na walang house rule. Even nga barkadahan, may house rules yan na susundin. So, because of those violations, multiple violations of house rules, we have kept this person out 3 times, guys, 3 times. And then, yun na nga, after that, yung huling conflict, humiwalay. And then, she created her own without even informing the previous group na kinabibilangan niya, which is ah